fix any missing network adapter in Windows 11. So if you want to fix any missing network adapter in your Windows 11, then first what you need to do is, this first solution is you need to go and restart your computer or your laptop. Once you've restarted, then many problems will be fixed. So first you need to restart and then proceed with the next steps. Now you just need to simply right click on your Windows and then go with the device manager section. Under device manager, you can simply click on any option and then you need to go with view and go with show hidden devices. And here if you scroll down, then you will have the network adapters. Go with the network adapters, and here you may find your missing network adapters right here. If that doesn't fix, then again go with the action section and then go with scan for hardware changes. Once you click on it, then you may get the options. This is the basic thing, but this might also fix the problem. And the other thing is you just need simply right click on your Windows and go with settings. Now under settings, you just need simply search for VPN and go with VPN settings. Make sure that your VPN is not connected or it is turned off. Make sure that it is turned off. And once you turn off the VPN, now you just need simply go with the next one, which is your proxy. So you're done with the VPN, click on proxy and make sure that your proxy is also turned off. And after that, you need to go with virus and threat protection. So just simply search for virus and threat protection, click on it, and this will take you to the Windows security section under your virus and threat protection. And you just need to simply go with manage settings, which is right here, and make sure and turn off the real-time protection and check if that still doesn't fix your problem. Then you can go back and turn on your Windows security. Once you've done with this, the other solution is you can just simply go with search, and under search you can search for network. Once you search for network, here under your search you will find an option of find and fix network problems, which is right here under your settings. So you just need to simply click on it and you will have the troubleshoot section, right? You need to go with run and run the troubleshooter for the internet connection. Once you run the troubleshooter, then within a few seconds it will automatically detect and try to fix your problem. After that, you can just close. Now once you've done with it, what you need to do is just simply search for the command prompt. Go with run as administrator and then click on yes, and it will open up your command prompt. Now you need to enter netsh space winsock space reset, and after that hit the enter. And after that, go with the second command, which is ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then hit the enter and wait for a few minutes till it loads. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with the services. So search for services and open up your services. Here you just need to simply click on any service and then press W on your keyboard. And then you need to scroll down and you need to find WLAN autoconfig and WWAN autoconfig. So you just need to simply go with these two services, right click on it, go with the properties section, and then go with the startup type. Make sure that it is automatic, and then you need to start the service. Once you've started the service, go with apply and OK. Once done with it, now you need to go with the next, which is WWAN. Right click on it, go with properties, and make sure the startup type is automatic, and then go with apply and OK. Once you've done, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply reset your network. So you need to right click on your Windows and then go with the settings option, which is right here. Under your settings, you need to search with network reset and click on network reset, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Go with reset now, which is on the right side. Once you reset your network, then your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.